So this is the most important point now. See here, madam is asking, open and closing very carefully. ECC la aithe ganaka, when I click directly go to the screen. Now not the go to the screen. So system will ask variant, enter a variant. ఇక్కడ ఈసీసీలో అయితే డైరెక్ట్ వచ్చేస్తుందండి ఈ స్క్రీన్. వేరియంట్ అడగదు. ఆ వేరియంట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందండి, వేరియంట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఇది పైన ఉంటుంది హనాలో. సో చూడండి ఇక్కడ గో టు న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్, డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ టైప్స్. మేడం సి హియర్, ఆల్ అకౌంట్స్ పోస్ట్ చేయడానికి, కస్టమర్స్ పోస్ట్ చేయడానికి, ఎసెట్స్ పోస్ట్ చేయడానికి, జిఎల్ పోస్టింగ్స్, మెటీరియల్స్ పోస్టింగ్స్, కాంట్రాక్ట్ అకౌంట్ పోస్టింగ్ అండ్ వెండర్ పోస్టింగ్స్ హియర్. Plus ADKMS, the contract account is not required. First I am going to give here plus. So what is the madam here? 1 2, what is that here? Tell me, what is that? What is the 1 2 112?
It's a period, posting period.
This
fiscal
is
year, sir.
This is Indian project means April to March.
March.
And US Germany means January to December.
December.
You're in Middle East countries mean July to June. Any project start out the, you will take always previous year. What is the previous year? 24. End of the year you are going to give here 2090, 2040, 50, 60, 70, whatever. End of the decade, no issues. What is that previous year? Current financial year and previous year is for end of the year. What is this, madam? Here, what is this? What is the 13, 16?
Special period, sir.
Special period. So 12th row after that, 13, 14, 15, 16. Previous year, end of the year. See here, understand now this three. Any GL, any all accounts postings here, previous year, end of the year. So 1 to 12, 13 to 16. Now here plus A means asset posting. Asset posting. Here asset posting. We are going to give here group, one group here. Here all accounts, there is no group. Here assets group here. I am going to give here assets group. So now 1/12 previous year, end of the year. End of the year. 13 previous year, end of the year. So 16, this is the thing. Understand, this point is clear now. First I am saving, otherwise problem happen. So define open and closing periods. Madam Advainda, understand?
Yes sir, but does there use XXX, the asset that will provide by the end user?
That is account group. That is account group. Assets may be particular this interval to this interval. Right now we don't have give. We don't have. That is the reason I will give you access. One important point I will tell you. Define open and closing posting periods. Posting periods. 1 second. Control C here. Control V. Control C. Control V. Here. See here. One important point. One important point, you raise the question. Where is the plus? There is no account. Plus means there is no groups, correct? Total all. Plus means all. Here A means what is that? Assets. This is asset interval. Maybe finance consultant will fill in the real time. Right now we don't have any groups. That is the reason I am going to give. Where you will take asset group, maybe assets means 1 to 1000. You can give that one also, no issues. Madam Advainda, understand the concept?
Yes sir.
Open and why you are taking previous year, end of the year? Tell me. Any project will start not for January, not for December, mid of the year. So right now my project is started April. What is the previous year? 24. Why you are giving any project will start January, maybe will complete next year, February. So what is the previous year? February means 24. Suppose you are going to start the project in 26. What is the previous year? 25.
25.
Understand? Concept. This is most important screen. This transaction code is OB52. Very important screen. Total consultants users depend on this screen. What is the screen name? Open and closing posting periods. What is the screen name? What is the screen name?
Open and closing posting period.
Oh. Plus, what is the next one? See here. Plus A, B. B means customers. Who will take care of the customer? SD consultant. SD consultant will do the postings. 1 to 12, previous year, end of the year. 13 month, 16 month, previous year, end of the year. Plus AD, K means year, K means vendors. So previous year, end of the year. 13 months, 16 month, previous year, end of the year. Plus ADK, M. M ante materials. So previous year, end of the year. So 13 months, so 16 months, previous year, end of the year. Plus ADKM, yes, last one is GL accounts posting. Contract account not required. No contract. That is different modules. So this is very carefully you can done the configuration. So end of the year, 13 months, previous year, and previous year, end of the year. Then save here. So here one more into enter. Here save. It's an important screen and open and closing periods. This is most important screen. In the ECC అయితే కనుక పాత డైరెక్ట్ ఉంటుందండి. ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ ఓపెన్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ లెక్చర్ లో ఉంటుంది. S4 HANA సిస్టమ్ లో లెక్చర్ లో ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందండి కాన్సెప్ట్? ఇంతవరకు మనం చేసామండి. ఇంతవరకు మనం చేసాం. చాలా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్ వచ్చినాయి ఇవాళ. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10 to 12 పాయింట్స్ కన్ఫిగర్. సో ఫైన్. మరి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఫైన్. మరి సపోర్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు సాధారణంగా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ ఎక్సెల్ షీటు ఇది ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్కి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. టీ కోడ్స్ ఎంటర్ చేసిన పాత్కి వెళ్ళవలసిన అవసరం లేదు. నో నీడ్ టు గో టు ద పాత్. డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ ఎంటర్ టు ద టీ కోడ్. ECC to HANA changes. Any changes you can write here. So this is the concept of you can use implement, you can use rollout implementation, you can use any changes data migration, then go to the support project. Overall ga manaki enni projects untayi real time lo? Implementation project, rollout implementation project, data migration project, support project. మనకి ఇప్పుడు నేను సర్వర్లోకి వెళ్తున్నానండి.